A top-tier gaming desk can revolutionize your gaming experience. The Casoadama L-shaped gaming desk exemplifies this by offering a spacious, stable platform for your entire gaming setup. Its L-shaped design maximizes corner space efficiency, while providing ample room for monitors, peripherals, and accessories. Constructed with 8 steel legs and adjustable pads, it ensures unwavering stability during intense gaming sessions. There are many gaming desks to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best gaming desks from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Cubicubi Simple Gaming Desk. The Cubicubi Simple Gaming Desk is a professional-grade solution designed to elevate the gaming experience for enthusiasts. Featuring a sleek carbon fiber texture and an ergonomic wraparound shape, this desk combines style with functionality. Its multifunctional design includes thoughtful additions like a headphone hook and custom stickers, setting it apart from basic computer desks. The Y-shaped leg design ensures superior stability compared to regular desks, providing a sturdy and durable platform for intense gaming sessions. Assembly is a breeze, with both a manual and an online installation video available for reference. This desk caters specifically to gamers, offering a blend of aesthetics and practicality that enhances both comfort and performance. Number 2. Bestier Small L-shaped Desk Black. The Bestier Small L-shaped desk in black is a versatile gaming and home office solution designed to maximize functionality in limited spaces. This modern desk features a convenient power outlet with AC outlets and USB charging ports, allowing you to easily charge your computer, gaming gear, and other devices. The desk's standout feature is its RGB LED light strip under the monitor shelf, offering multiple colors and dynamic modes to create an immersive gaming atmosphere or a relaxing work environment. Its flexible L-shaped design efficiently utilizes corner spaces, while double storage shelves on one side provide ample room for books, files, and accessories. The middle metal grid panel offers adjustable height options and can be set at an angle for ergonomic comfort. Additionally, the monitor stand can be repositioned to create a multi-tier storage shelf, further enhancing the desk's adaptability to your specific needs. Number 3. Mr. Ironstone L-shaped Gaming Desk. The Mr. Ironstone L-shaped gaming desk offers a perfect blend of functionality and durability for gamers and professionals alike. Assembly is a breeze, with detailed instructions and necessary tools provided, allowing you to set up your workspace in just 35 minutes. Constructed with a thickened metal frame and P2 MDF board, this upgraded computer desk boasts exceptional sturdiness and an impressive load capacity of up to 350 lbs. The smooth, exquisite desktop surface resists scratches even during intense gaming sessions. The corner design maximizes room efficiency, while the 29.5 depth ensures optimal legroom, making it comfortable for users of all heights. Ultra-sturdy X-shaped legs contribute to the desk's stability, eliminating wobbling concerns. Whether you're a dedicated gamer or a busy professional, the Mr. Ironstone L-shaped gaming desk combines style, durability, and practicality to enhance your workspace experience. Number 4. LED Gaming Desk with Monitor Shelf. The LED Gaming Desk with Monitor Shelf is a cutting-edge workstation designed to elevate your gaming experience, featuring customizable LED lights with vibrant colors and dynamic modes. This desk creates an immersive atmosphere that adapts to your mood or game theme. The spacious 75LX30D desktop, complete with a monitor stand, provides ample room for all your gaming equipment while promoting better posture. A convenient headphone hook keeps your accessories organized and within reach. Constructed with a carbon fiber textured board, the desk offers a smooth touch while resisting scratches and skidding. The heavy-duty steel frame ensures durability, and non-slip foot pads protect your floor while maintaining stability. Number 5. Casoadama L-shaped Gaming Desk. The Casoadama L-shaped gaming desk is a dedicated gaming hub designed to meet the needs of both casual and hardcore gamers. Its L-shaped design maximizes space efficiency while offering a large operating surface for immersive gaming experiences. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this desk boasts unparalleled stability and durability, supported by 8 steel legs and adjustable leg pads to ensure a steady setup during intense gaming sessions. The ergonomic design features a removable monitor stand, promoting optimal viewing angles and reducing strain on your neck and back. This computer desk offers ample room for all your gaming essentials, including monitor, keyboard, mouse, and other accessories. The under-desk storage area helps maintain a clutter-free gaming environment. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.